See, it's windy so much outside. We're reporting live. We're reporting live from Luis's TV. What? A reporter.
We have like a category, I don't know, category 2 and 3. I don't know what category they have for typhoon. But the typhoon is northeast of northeast of Luzon right now. And it will develop into a typhoon and super typhoon next few days, and it will still be in Luzon for some reason. And will eventually hit Taiwan.
When is it going to land here in Metro Manila?
Yeah, it will last here in Manila. And for the affected areas of like the whole Luzon and the whole Taiwan.
So did you see this information from online, the weather?
And also the one I also based off the warnings in Japan. Like the NHK, whatever they have, earthquake.
How about now, what is it telling you about the weather now here? The typhoon now on your phone.
I don't know, I just see the typhoon off the radar. See?
Oh my God, is that it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so strong.
And next Wednesday is going to be this one, Tuesday.
Okay. How about Monday?
Monday, it's just going to be typhoon.
Maybe it's just wind. Don't you think?
No, it will
Rain?
Yeah, it will rain, super hard rain.
Okay.
There is a signal number 3 right now.
Right now?
No, yeah.
My gosh.